You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my first Amazon affiliate paycheck. So if you guys want to see this video, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. So this is my Amazon. Let me see if I could like so this is the pay stub from Amazon, or this is the envelope. So basically tell you it's from Amazon.com and my name right here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open it and see. I think it's like just, I don't know. We'll see how much it is. We'll see how much it is. Okay, so I'm gonna just open it. How much do you guys think it is? Alright, so I open it, and as I showed you, right, so hold on. So right here, all right, so this is the first my first Amazon pay stub right here. So basically, this was just 1 month's payment, and I got $119 and yeah, $119.16, which was payable by check, as you guys can see, and stuff like that. So yes, I'm kind of excited, because all I did was just put my links on my YouTube channel, and I guess you guys like the hairs that I review and stuff like that, or the other products that I reviewed, and you guys click those links and you guys buy the products and I receive money. So yeah, I received $119.16. So if you guys are looking for like a side hustle, or you guys are looking to actually like add revenue to your YouTube channel, money that you're already getting monthly, you guys can go ahead and do the Amazon affiliate links, by because basically you are buying things on Amazon like almost every day. People buy things on Amazon so much time, so why not review it and leave those links if other people are interested in buying it. They click on your link and you get a commission. So yeah, so this is what I did. I'm very thankful for it, and it will come in handy. I don't know, maybe it will be spent on Amazon again. The money will go right back to Amazon. Yeah, but yeah, if you guys are looking to add additional revenue to your, like, to whatever money that you're already making, you guys can go ahead and do Amazon affiliate links, or you guys can do the other methods that I showed you guys about how to make money, and how to increase your revenue. If you are a registered nurse, I do have videos on that, and I do have videos on how to like unlock your, like, how to get money by just unlocking your phone, how to get money by purchasing gas, which everybody purchase gas by using the Upside Up app. This is not sponsored by Upside, Get Upside, but yeah. So I'm very excited for this check, but I know that it's going to go right back in Amazon. Yeah, yeah. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below and tell me if you guys have received your Amazon affiliate paycheck, or if you guys are thinking about joining the Amazon affiliate program. It will be beneficial to you guys. So just let me know. Yeah, I'm just rambling. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.